3-piece set. Nutrichef 3-piece nonstick cookware set includes the small, medium, and large size of cookie pans. These are a flexible, stylish, and non-stick carbon steel bakeware set with red silicone handles. Non-stick coating. The PTFE, PFOA, PFOS-free non-stick pot set cookingware features a long-lasting non-stick coating for easy food release or tossing, cleaning healthy cooking with heat-resistant lacquer exterior making it resistant to high heat. Durable bakeware set. These cookie pans are made from carbon steel non-stick coating that resists warping to keep your baking, roasting, toasting for years. It is suitable for the oven, refrigerator, and freezer. A reliable cookie sheet oven pan style. Versatile cookie sheets. Long-lasting non-stick cookie sheets provide excellent food release when baking, roasting, etc., and provide easy cleanup. Dishwasher safe and stain-resistant. It is also a space-saving stackable wide tray pan design. Handles the heat. Bold-colored, commercial-grade restaurant-quality metal bakeware provide a confident grasp while taking the baking pans out of the oven where they are oven-safe to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use and comes in different sizes. I love how it came with different sizes, so if I'm just making something for myself I don't have to use that big of a sheet. Been using it for over a month now and been holding up too. The silicone grip is a nice touch and makes it easy to handle. Really well made and are a great value.